Okay, so I'm here with Stuart. He's just completed a 6-week challenge with us, and I just want him to explain a bit about where he started before he came to speak to us and talk with us about joining the programme. Stuart, if you want to let the guys in.
Yeah, hi. Basically came to the programme after dieting quite heavily, but I still felt that I needed to kick it up another gear. So I found the programme online, quick chat with Nick, and he made me feel very welcome. Joined, and in the 6 weeks I've been here, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. After the 6 weeks, my energy levels are up, sleeping better, which is the main thing, feel really healthy. And then also on a plus side, work has become a lot easier because that's quite a physical job that I do. So with my new energy levels and everything, it's made that a lot easier. The guys here are fantastic, make you feel really welcome. There's help every step of the way. No questions too silly, no questions too long and boring, and it seems to be whatever time of day you ask it, you get an answer pretty rapid. So support-wise, it is immense, and it's really good. I can't fault it one little bit.
Good, okay. And overall, if you were to describe the programme to anyone, because I think sometimes people think it's very complicated, in terms of nutrition and training, people often think you have to do a lot of very restrictive protocols or lots and lots of training. Can you just confirm that you've only trained for about 2 hours a week overall?
Yeah, the training is literally just 2 hours a week. It's 3 sessions. That don't eat into your time at all because they're literally sharp, intense sessions.
Yeah.
The food wise, all the menus are there, so you haven't got to go hunting for special menus. It's all been worked out for you. It's all there and easy to follow recipes. And again, if you're not sure, you can just ask. But don't get me wrong, the training's hard, and like anything, you put in.
Yeah, you get what you put in.
What you put in, kind of thing. So harder you work, the better results you get. And it's knackering, but that's what you want it to be. You don't want to be sit there and easy. You've got to work for it.
Yeah. No, I think you've got some good results there ultimately, but if you had one word to describe us, or a couple of words to describe us, how would you describe us to everyone?
Friendly, helpful, determined, and yeah, that's it. So if somebody says to me, would you do it again? Absolutely. I hope not now because I'm in shape, but I'd recommend it to anybody, I really would. It's life-changing, and at 46 years old, coming up to, I feel a lot better.
Awesome, mate. Well done.
No problem at all.
Thank you.